Just north of a modern cosmopolitan Tokyo lies a busy industrial town and the home of the RK Chain Factory. In today's modern and highly competitive global marketplace where only the strong survive, underlies the real story behind RK Chain and their singular commitment to being the best. At the RK Chain Factory, current and future chain technology is developed in their cutting-edge R&D centers and thoroughly tested at the racetrack. RK Chain goes racing so that you can enjoy tomorrow's chain technology today. What they learn on the track through testing and perfecting results in products that ultimately finds its way to the dealer showroom worldwide. But to understand why RK Chains are the best in the industry, you need to step back in time when RK first began in 1953. RK originally began life as a motorcycle chain company back in 1953. RK became an OE chain supplier for Honda in 1961, Suzuki in '64, and Yamaha in 1965. In 1975, RK began experimenting with O-ring technology. RK's high quality was recognized worldwide after an RK O-ring chain-equipped machine won the first and third title at the inaugural Suzuka 8-hour endurance race. In 1982, chains featuring O-rings were the standard for large to mid-size motorcycles worldwide. Today, O-ring technology has traveled a long road, and the perfectly round seals developed in 1982 evolved into the Contour RX ring and XW ring of today. RK's R&D team is continually focused on developing new technology for tomorrow's chains. Throughout RK's history, professional riders have relied on RK's legendary strength and performance to drive them to the championship podium. RK's list of championship riders is extensive and reads like a who's who of racing. From past champions like Gary Nixon, Freddie Spencer, Kevin Schwantz, Mick Doohan, Ricky Carmichael, Ryan Villopoto, and Valentino Rossi, to current champions such as Repsol Honda's Marc Marquez, Team KTM's off-road Caleb Russell and Maria Fosberg, and the factory road race Red Bull Tomos Purta. For the professional elite team to the weekend warrior, all rely on RK's unquestionable quality and reliability. What makes RK Chain the choice of champions worldwide? To find out, we spoke to team manager Livio Suppo of the Repsol Honda to learn why HRC chooses RK Chains.
RK Japan supply Honda Racing Corporation with the chains fitted on the RC 2013B factory machine, delivering over 170 kilowatts of power for the engine to the rear wheel. This critical element of the bike drivetrain requires components that are incredibly strong, but also bike quite efficient and also very reliable, and at the same time maintaining durability. RK Japan is an essential link in the performance chain.
From the scorching asphalt of MotoGP circuit, we'll move into the dirt for American Supercross and Motocross. Team Pro Circuit Kawasaki has earned more championships than any other U.S. team, and part of their success stems from the high-quality products team owner Mitch Payton chooses to run on the Pro Circuit machines.
Pro Circuit's been working with RK Chain since 1994. So going into the 14 season, I think that's 20 years of a relationship, and it's been a really good relationship. I appreciate all the work that they do. They really strive to have not only a strong and durable product, but also, especially even on the 125 and 250S, they try to pay attention to being conscious on weight. So like the product is thought out, and it's a really good product.
Thank you, Mitch. It's another example of the championship team using their best products on the market, RK Chain. On behalf of RK Chain and their employees, management staff, and their technical and racing partners, we hope you've enjoyed this brief inside visit.